Hands-on learning or experiential learning goes a long way in preparing students for the world outside campus. At the Civil Engineering Department of the Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, this philosophy was turned into reality a few years ago. In 2016, when the department was established, its mandate was to look beyond the conventional civil engineering aspects. To achieve this mandate, the department set up the Geomatics Lab. While it was started as a basic survey lab with traditional surveying equipment, the authorities soon realized the need for upgradation.
When the department approached me for resources for framing a state-of-the-art laboratory, I accepted the proposal, but then I put a rider to it. I said that you must work it out with an industry.
I was tasked to set up the Geomatics Lab soon after I took charge. Within months, I did set up a lab with conventional surveying equipments, but felt the need for modern surveying facilities for our students. After thorough research, we decided to go for Trimble technology.
The turning point came in 2018 when the authorities decided to build an industry academia partnership and set up a Trimble technology lab within the Geomatics laboratory. The civil engineering students are using state-of-the-art Trimble products such as SX10 Scanning Total Station, R10 Integrated GNSS System, C5 Mechanical Total Station, Trimble Business Center Software, TDC 100 Handheld Data Collector and Trimble Info, and Trimble Ecognition Software to get hands-on experience in professional surveying and are working towards perfecting the field-to-finish concept.
Trimble is proud to be associated with Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, for setting up the lab in their civil engineering department. They have invested in SX10, which is our very well-known instrument globally. They have also invested in R10, which is our best GNSS receiver as of date. They are also training their students in terms of the overall surveying process and also enabling them to learn field to finish concept that Trimble has pioneered in the last few years.
One of the big projects that our student took up was surveying of village in Ropar district in partnership with the local administration. The student used Trimble R10 GNSS receiver and SX10 terrestrial laser scanner to survey the topography and drainage system of the villages.
With the help of Trimble technology, the Civil Engineering Department has been able to take up consultancy for several government departments in Punjab and Haryana, which lack the latest surveying technology and equipment.
Today, our Geomatics Lab is one of the best in this region, and we have done the kind of studies related to the water bodies here, related to the soil, agriculture, everything. And today, IIT Ropar, the Civil Engineering Department and the Geomatics is establishing itself with the help of these kinds of state-of-art activities as a major center in this country.
The Trimble SX10 Scanning Total Station redefines the capabilities of everyday survey equipment by providing the world's most innovative solution for surveying. It is capable of collecting any combination of high-density 3D scan data, enabling the user to capture exactly what he needs. Trimble's new Lightning 3DM enables the SX10 to capture both high-accuracy total station measurements and true high-speed 3D scans together in a single instrument. On the other hand, the R10 GNSS receiver makes collection of more accurate data faster and easier. Built with powerful technologies integrated into a sleek design, the unique system provides its users with a powerful way to increase data collection productivity in every project. The receiver also provides improved protection against sources of interference and spoofed signals. It can be connected to Android or iOS mobile devices running supported apps via Bluetooth. The data collected in the field is then processed in the lab using the Trimble Business Center software. TBC offers customizable templates, simplified selection tools, and automated plotting functionality. The software further allows its user to manage, process, and create customer deliverables for all survey tasks with just one software package. From time to time, the Civil Engineering Department holds the workshops on modern survey method for governments and industry professionals. One such workshop was held in August 2019, where participants from all over India were training data collection and process by students and Trimble staff.
We are going to teach the attendees of this lab and participants how the survey has changed the last many years and what all are important for them to ensure that they have high quality of accuracy in data collection and consistency, and also how they can cut down the time so that they have high productivity in collecting the data. We wish all the best to IIT Ropar for delivering and providing high quality education to their students.